Hi, I'm Hunter with Enoven Truck Body here at the Ford Truck Club in Lodi, California, showcasing our landscaper body. It's on an F550 cabin chassis with a 19.5 GVW. Our standard landscaper dump has fixed sides. This is a custom option with front swinging side doors. This is it closed. On the other side, I'll show you it open. In the back here, we have rear barn doors that completely open. As you can see, the flatbed is formed bed halves, 10 gauge steel, completely powder coated, with a laser cut headboard viewing window. The rear tail apron has LED lighting with our buck plate and hitch, class 5 with D-rings. On this side, as you can see, the doors open completely and they lock into place here. Here's the open feature of our swing side doors. Perfect for loading a pallet or just easy accessible loading from the side. Our standard toolbox right there. And this unit is completed in Redding, California. We stock these all over Northern California. And if you have any questions or concerns or comments, please contact us at our locations in West Sacramento or in Redding.